Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. I hope everybody had a great day yesterday. It ended up being more sunny than what I was thinking, so that worked out great. All right, so today is the last day of April. I can't believe how fast time is going. So today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. If I were to write it out using only numbers, I would write for January, February, March, April, which means tomorrow it'll be 5. Dash 30 and dash 20 because that's the last two numbers of our year. We're still in the season of spring. Yesterday was Wednesday and tomorrow will be Free Day Friday, Free Day Friday. The temperature today is supposed to be 58 degrees Fahrenheit and it's supposed to be cloudy. They said maybe some sun, maybe some rain. So if it's sunny outside, get out there and play. All right, we are going to do our 2 practice problems. So I would like everybody to take out their whiteboard, or if you have a piece of paper, get that out so that we can do our 2 practice addition and subtraction problems so that we stay fresh, so that when we go to 3rd grade next year, your teachers aren't like, who is your teacher? You don't know how to add or subtract. I'm going to say, no, they know how. All right. If you need more time, hit the pause button. Those of you that are ready to go, today's first number we're going to add together is 247 plus 172. All right, what I want you to do, after you write this down, I want you to hit the pause button. I want you to try to solve it on your own. And then once you've solved it, unpause it and watch along with me to see if you got it correct. That'll be good practice for you. If you didn't get it correct, should you fix it? Yes. You learn more from when you make mistakes than you fix your mistakes. You'll remember to do it the next time if you forgot. Okay, so I did my HTO for ones, tens, hundreds. All right, so let's add the ones place first. So we have 7 plus 2 equals 9. There's nothing in the tens place, so I do not need to carry anything over. Now we're going to move to our tens place. 4 plus 7 equals 11. I have to carry my 1 because there was a 1 in the ones place, or I'm sorry, in the tens place, and then a 1 in the hundreds place, so to move that 100 over. And then finally I'm going to add up the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. Remember to add in that 1 that you carried over to the hundreds place. Now, if you got it right, give yourself a check mark or a star. Thumbs up if you got it right, just like we do in class. Good, I'm happy to see that. Okay, once you have that written down, I want you to erase, and then you are going to get ready for our subtraction problem. Okay, our subtraction problem today is 627 minus 538. Okay, what I want you to do, hit the pause button. Once you have this written down, I want you to try to solve it. Once you've solved it on your own, I want you to unpause it, and then I want you to try or see if you got your answer right. If you missed it, fix it, okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Remember, you should be trying this on your own. So I have HTLs. Keep me organized. I know I'm subtracting the right spots. I'm going to always start in my ones place. With subtraction, you want to make sure you follow that BBB rule. If the bottom number is bigger, you have to borrow. So looking in the ones place, 8 is bigger than 7, so you have to borrow. So I'm going to move over to my tens place. I'm going to cross off my tens place, and I'm going to change that from a 2 to only 1 10, and I'm going to move that group of tens over, so now that 7 is added to that new group of 10, so now I have 17 ones minus 8 ones, which equals 9. Moving to my tens place, I can see that 3 is bigger than 1. So I need to borrow again because that's too big. I can't borrow from that. Or I can't subtract 1 minus 3. So I'm going to borrow from my hundreds place. That 6 now becomes a 5. And I'm going to move the 10 tens over. So now I have 11 tens minus 3 tens, which equals 8 tens. And then finally we move to our hundred spot. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And you can either write your 0 in or you can just leave it blank. Thumbs up if you got it right. Good job. Okay. Today your assignment, you have math lesson 10.4, and as I said in the math lesson, you only have you'll have math lesson 10.5 on Friday, 10.6 on Monday, and then the chapter review on Tuesday, and then we're done with the math workbooks for the year. So just bear with it, keep chugging along. That's what I wanted to say. You can do it. You're almost there. So math lesson 10.4, you have a ReadWorks assignment that you need to do today, and then 30 minutes of Splash Math or MobyMax, and then I want you to go outside and play. Okay, I will talk to you soon. I love and miss you so much. Hopefully we can plan a Zoom meeting for today or on Friday. Okay, bye.